How to fix OpenGL error 65543? First step, check if your graphics card support. Search for DXDIAG. Open Display tab. Verify your graphics card is detected correctly. If Windows shows basic display adapters, install the correct graphics card and move on with next step. Click Settings, click System Settings, click Display Settings, click Graphics Settings, scroll down and search for Minecraft. If it's not having means you need to add it. Click Add Desktop App or else add Microsoft Store app and add it. Once adding after open it, the GPU preference should be in a high preference and the optimization of the window game should be in turn on mode. Close it and move on with next step. Search for control panel, click it. Viewed by category, click program, click Java, click update now, click it. If there is any update available means it will start installing the update. The installation is started, so wait for some time. It's installing right now, wait for some time. And also some of them have not having the Java setting means you need to check first. You need to go to settings, click app settings, click install app, scroll down and search for Java here. If it's not having means then you need to go to the official website of Java, download and install the latest version. It's downloading and installing right now, wait for some time. If you're not having the Java means you need to go to the official website and download and install it. Successfully installed. Then move on with next step. Click settings, click app settings, click install app, scroll down and search for Minecraft launcher. Click the three dot icon on the right hand side, click advanced option, scroll down. Under reset, click repair. Once the repair complete after, click reset. Close it and the last and final step, click settings, click Windows update, click check for update and update your Windows. Thank you.